महे भागवत स्वरूपम् भवे भवे तथा भक्तिः पादयोः तव जायते तथा कुरु सदेवेश नाथस्त्वं नो जतः प्रभो नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनं तं नमामि हरिं परम् अङ्गस्यामलिमछटाभिरभितो मिन्दीकृतिन्दिवरम् जाड्यं जागुडरुचिषां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसत् दामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशितजलभुजं ध्यायेमदामोदरम् भवे भवे तथा भक्ति पादयोः तव जायते तथा कुरुष देवेश नाथस्त्वं नो जतः प्रभो नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसद्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमानम् नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसद्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमानम् यशोदाभियोलुखलब्धावमानं परामृष्टमर्त्या ततुधृतगोप्या रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्र जुगं मृजन्तं कराम्भोजयुग्मेन शातङ्कनेत्रम् मुहुश्वासकं त्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठं वदामो दरं भक्तिबद्धम् मामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसद्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमानम् इति त्रिकुशलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तम् आख्यापयन्तम् इति त्रिकुशलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जितत्वं कथमतयस्तं शतावृत्तिबन्धे तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जितत्वं पुनः प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्तिबन्धे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसद्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमानं नमामि वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं वृणेऽहं वरेशादपीह वरं देवमोक्षं इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपाल बालम सदा मे मनस्याविरास्तं कियन्ने इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपाल सदा मे नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानं नमामि इदन्ते मुखाम्भोज अत्यन्तनीले वृतं कुन्तले स्निग्ध रक्तेश्च गोप्या इदन्ते मुखाम्भोज अत्यन्तनीले मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्त्राधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभे मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्त्राधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रससुन्दरं गोकुले भजमानं नमामि नमो देवदामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभो दुःख जालाब्धिमग्नौ नमो देवदामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभो दुःख कृपा दृष्टि वृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणि समामज्ञमेध्यखिदुष कृपा दृष्टि वृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणि समामज्ञमेध्यखिदुष नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानं कुबेरात्मजो बध मूर्तिवजद्वत् त्वया मोचितो भक्ति भजौ कृतौ च कुबेरात्मजो बध तथा प्रेम भक्ति स्वकामे प्रजच्छ न मोक्षे ग्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह तथा प्रेम भक्ति स्वकामे प्रजच्छ न मोक्षे ग्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानं नमामि नमस्तेस्तु धाम्ने सुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयोदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमस्तेस्तु धाम्ने सुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयोदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीय प्रियायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो राधिकायै त्वदीय प्रियायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो राधिकायै त्वदीय प्रियायै नमो राधिकायै नमो नमो राधिकायै त्वदीय प्रियायै नमोऽनंत लीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमोऽनंत लीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर दामोदर राधा दामोदर दया करो राधा दामोदर दया करो राधा दामोदर जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे राधे हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा हरे राम हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 जय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल जय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। जय श्री श्री राधा दामोदर जी की जय। First of all, I offer my innumerable Sastang Dandavat Pranam to the lotus feet of Srila Gurudev, Vishnupada Ashtodhara Satasvara, Puri Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Plasti Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Lila Pravishla Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Nitya Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all our Guru Vargas, Parshad, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, all our Parampara Acharyas, they blessed us to enter this transcendental love of Vrindavan. And I respect Hari Dandavat here, our Sripad Sarvadik Prabhu presence and all other Vaishnavis and who are in online, all devotees. I am happy with all. In these days, we were discussing about Damodar Leela, Damodar Ashtak. So yesterday we completed these 8 verses. In the last verse, Satyavrata Muni offered his obeisances to the rope with his rope of love, maternal love. Then he told Namo Radhikai Tudiya Priyai. In the last, he offered Dandavata to Sri Radharani, and which was most dear great Krishna. Radha Damodar, both he offered Dandavat, because with the conjugal love, all rasas, all bhavas comes from this conjugal love. This conjugal Sringara Rasa in Sanskrit, it is the preserve of all rasas. All rasas come from Sringara Rasa. then they told Adi Rasa. Adi Rasa means the first beginning. This Rasa means the Bhava. So here we took this our bhava, our sentiment. Then we will go again to continue our Uddhava's topic, where Vrindavan, Uddhava was present. We were continuing from Purushottam Mas Leela, Purushottam Vrat. Then we will continue from Bhagavatam. We will discuss this Venu Gita, Jugal Gita, Jugma Gita. Venu Gita, 2 chapters there. One is in 35 chapter, in 10th canto, Srimad Bhagavatam. Another is 21 chapter, that is also they glorify about the flute. Here, this Yugma Gita, we are discussing in 35 chapter. If somebody have books, they can also see. We will chant and we go to narrate, to test, realize how the enchanting of flute. When Uddhava was there, all friends, girl, Sakhis there, Shakhas there, and all gopis and others there. They were every day, they go to one place after finish their morning, all ritual, their activities. Then they took prasadam, food, then go to, every day they go to one place. All these 84 crosses, all this Braja, where Krishna was performing all his up to 12 years, 12, 11 and a half years, his pastimes. Now he grew up. We go to again Purushottam month, we discussed there. From his babyhood, then come to childhood. Now he became Paugandra and Kishoro, and he started to play flute, and all Shakhis, they also grow up before they were also children. Now he passed boyhood and he started to play flute. And in Vrindavan, when Balaram and Krishna, with their full beauty and all this, their extraordinary of their qualities, they were moving, how the trees and creepers, how they offer their homage, all this we discussed a little. Here gopis, they describe and hearing Uddhava, also others. Now all inhabitants of Vrindavan are present there. Before, in the past time, only who are there, they knows this. Different rasas, different relations at different parts. By Harikatha, when they are explaining about his pastimes, now all are hearing how Krishna was performing his pastimes. So here, all gopis, they want the day, they sit after they finish housework, then they sit together, and by separation mood, because Krishna every day when he was going with cowherd boys to forest, then whole day they were suffering like fire, like heating by separation in daytime. But night time, they are enjoying with Krishna. In their cave, they organize different festivals with music, dancing, drinking, eating, all perfume, all their sense objects there. So they are enjoying with Krishna. So night time they were happy, they see, they can talk, they can meet. But in a daytime, when Krishna was going to forest, they are suffering, but they cannot see him, they cannot talk with him, they cannot enjoy. So they feel their inside mind always more the separation. So then Krishna play flute when he was distance. They can hear the flute sound, the vibrations of flute. When they hear this, then they relieve from their separation, but they come together, sit, and they share their feelings with Krishna, how they pursue, experience with Krishna. They each other all together, they sit and discuss. This is written in 35 chapter, Srila Sukadeva Goswami in 10th canto. Gopyah Krishne vanam yate tamanu druta chetasah Krishna leelaha pragayantu ninyo dukhena vasara. Gopyah, gopis, Krishna vanam jate. When Krishna go to forest, tam anudruta chetasa, their minds always attracted and follow to Krishna. So when Krishna go to forest, their mind also go with them. So their mind is in forest. Krishna, how he is there, what he is doing, how he is playing, how he is dancing there, how doing everything. They by their mind, they always thinking and they feel separation when come to this. Then they, after they finish their work, Krishna leelaha pragayantuho ninnu dukkhena vasaran. Krishna leelaha pragayantu. They are discussing, one speak, others hear what they saw to Krishna, how he is performing these pastimes. In this way, Krishna leela pragayantu ninyu dukhena basaran. Basara means this day, they passed this day with their sad for separation mode. This is the started. So when Uddhava was present, all this together, they told Uddhava how your Lord now in Mathura, anytime he play flute there in Mathura. Uddhava told no, he is never play flute. If you hear his flute or the citizens of Mathura, if they heard his flute, I think all became mad. You have never experienced this. How he play his flute, and when he vibrate the flute, when he vibrates his flute with raga, with his tune, the sounds, when we are in our house, we sit together, and one day, one gopi, she told, there are many, many gopis there. When Krishna present, they are fighting. When Krishna separation, they become together. When Krishna was not there. Competition, this is a competition for Krishna, for love. This is not like a materialistic enviousness. In a bhakti, with love for Krishna, that is actually increase the bhava, the sentiments towards Krishna, because Krishna is the object there. So they asked it to Uddhava, and they together there. Then Uddhava told, oh, we never heard about the glories of flute. Then he told, you want to hear? Yes. So then among them gopis in Vrindavan, in Rasa Mandapa there, they sit together. Then one gopi, she told what she saw Krishna when Krishna was playing flute. Here is written, Vamo bahu krito vamo kapulo Balgita bhura dhararpita venu Komalanguli asrita margam Gopya irayati jatra mukunda Vyomojana bani tasaha siddhi Vismitastadupadharya salaja Kamamagana samarpita cita Kasmalang jaju rapasmrutya nivya Kasmalaya yurapasmrutya nivya Kasmalang yayu rapasmrutya nivya. And told, oh, one gopi told, I saw one day Krishna, how he was looking, Vama bahu krita vama kapolo. His left side, the cheek, he put in his shoulder, tilt, and put this. Vama bahukrita vama kapolo balgita bhruradharamruta venu. And he's playing his eyebows and looking into Subal and Siddham and Madhumangal. They are dancing. He was looking at them and playing dancing his eyebows. Bama Kapala, Balagita, Bhru, Radhara, and this flute was in his lip. Bhru, Bhru, Adharamruta, Bama Bahu Krita, Bama Kapolo, Balagita, Bhru, Radhara, Arpita Benum, Komolanguli Bhi Asrita Margam. His fingers are very soft because he never worked, no exercise, but he left Govardhan also with this finger. But here gopis always say his Krishna is soft. So his soft fingers cover this whole of the flute. How is that full flute? This flute has 7 holes. 7 holes like in Vedic Sangeet. In Vedic song, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. This is 7. The sounds there. So he put his fingers in the holes of the flute. Then Komalanguli bhi asrita margam gopya irayati jatra mukunda. All gopis jatra where irayati means it's playing, vibrate this with his flute sound. Everyone, they attracted to hear. I also hearing when that time I saw there. What I saw there? Vyomo jana bonita saha siddhi. Siddhas in a heavenly planet, Vyomojana, by their aeroplane carrier, they were moving with their wife and husband. When they are moving in the sky, after hearing this, then they stopped this. Not our like aeroplane cannot stop there. Aeroplane need to landing in the only ground. They cannot stay in the space, in the air or sky. But Vyomojana, the demigods, their carrier also by their mental energy with subtle. So they can stay any place. So their carrier, Vimana, Vyomojana, the aeroplane, stay there, stop there. Then what happened to them? Saha siddhi Vismita tadupadharya salajjaha. They immersed. They, after hear this sound, they forget themselves. Their mind completely forgot their own body. Even their wife and husband both. Both they forget their body and they hear this flute, how the vibration of the flutes, the melody, the raga and the gamak. Gamak, when they start to playing the sound up and down. So that time they forget themselves. Then what happened? Vismita tadupadharya salajjaha. By this lajja, by embarrass, wife, they think, oh, we are chastity ladies, but this is flute sound coming from Krishna. They look from the space to Krishna, then say they, by the flute sound, they shot by the Cupid, the arrow of Cupid. So enter their heart, then they want, oh, we can go to Krishna and we want to embrace him. I don't want anything else. And what they did, gradually their cloth, the belt of this cloth also open. And their hair also open. They locked, open this. Inside the Sanchari Bhava, Sanchari means Bhava, they are stunned, their pulse, they become like statue. This motions, heart breathing becomes slow and they forget their body. Same thing, wife, they think maybe husband feel bad because of his presence is feeling like this. But husband, they are also male person. The Siddhas, demigods, they also feeling same. They think, oh, how it's possible? We are male, still our mind is running to embrace Krishna. How is this extraordinary power of this flute sound? So our desire comes by this Cupid, the arrow of Cupid, this energy, our heart also attracted there, and there also their cloth, their garments, they also become loose, and inside the emotions and desires for Krishna, just like turmoil, like storm, they becomes like standard this one rasa. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur and told this, that is Adbhuta rasa, Vismaya rasa. They bewildered and they what to do, what to not do, they forget everything, their intelligence, and they stopped the space with their aeroplane. And not only one, there are many I saw there. So, if they are living in the goodness planet and they are siddhas, they are the demigods, if they are attracted to for Krishna, male and female all, so what about us? We are young girls and we are same cowherd family. Krishna is our family, he is our friend, he is our beloved, and we are living here and we cannot enjoy this. So better if they demigods come and embrace Krishna and they enjoy with Krishna. So why we are here? Why we are sitting in the village? Better we should go there to go with Krishna. We go to forest and we embrace to Krishna. We stay with him, we play with him and play and fruit, and we see how his face, how he's dancing his eyebrows and he's playing. We enjoy this. So this anuraga, attachment and the attraction how to go to Krishna, not to stay there. This is the main, the bhava of their feelings. By separation, they are all together, they think we should go there. But their housework there, husbands there, others there, maybe they criticize them, maybe they rebuke them, they maybe somebody blame them. Then they told, don't care this. Demigods, they are attracting you, so what shall we? Somebody's face, something is no problem, we dare this. We should go there. So they say to Uddhav, this is the how Krishna's this magic flute is always make us madness. We hear every day, we were suffering here by his chanting his flute. What about then another gopi? He told, what about you told about demigods, the Siddhas? You don't know? I saw one day how his flute is attracting to these animals and others. What about them? They are demigods. So second verse, third verse, they will speak about how Krishna's flute attracting and enjoying to all creatures. Even Yamuna also not flowing down. This is nature of water. She also, water changed her character, come to up. Stop the flowing to down, come to up. And about also Brahma, Shiva, demigods, others, they are explaining beautiful. So tomorrow we will go to discuss another verse there. Now we will chant little Govinda Damodar Madhavas, these two songs. It is very beautiful and very nice. I think now available in English translation and Spanish and other translations. Any devotees they can see from internet, they can also download. Very beautiful. We don't have actually time to describe this meaning of these verses, but we chant. You will have time, you will understand and read there. Okay. Now we will start today 7th verse. Durbar Vakya Parigriha Krishna Mrugi Babhita Tu Katham Chit. Durbar Vakya Parigriha Krishna Mrugi Babhita Tu Katham Chit. Sabhya Pravishta Manusha Juhava Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Sabhya Pravishta Manusha Juhava Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Utthaya Gopya Pararatra Bhage Smrutya Yashoda Sutabala Kelim. Utthaya Gopya Pararatra Bhage Smrutya Yashoda Sutabala Kelim. Gayanti Proche Dadhinirmamantho Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Gayanti Proche Dadhinirmamantho गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति 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 राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद राधे बोल गोपाल राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि गाई गौरा हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल और प्रेमानंदी हरि 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 बोल। जय श्री गुरु आनंद हरिधार जी राधा दामोदर जी की जय। श्री वृषभानंदिनी राधा रानी की जय और जयेश्वरी रानी की जय। विष्णु पार्षद महाराज की अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। ऑल डिवोटीज की जय। गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल।
Jai Guru Maharaj, perfect connection today. Very beautiful.
Muchas gracias.
Dhanyavad Maharaj.
Haribol.
Nice kata.
Haribol. I just tried to put two and two. Good job. Maharaj, if Krishna is, we see cowherd boys all day, devotees all night. When does he sleep? He never sleeps. He doesn't like to sleep? No. You are sleeping under the tree, and Raktaka Panta, all they are massaging his feet.